Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to AVM YouTube channel. Myself, Sunil Bhutra, going to explain you about arithmetic progression. This is third chapter, which is included in 10 class mathematics part 1. So let's get started. Our first topic is, what is a sequence? A set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order is called a sequence. I have taken one example to show what is a sequence. I have taken set of natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 dot up to infinity. These numbers are already arranged in a definite order, therefore it is a sequence. If I ask you to find out 11th term of this sequence, your answer will be what? The 11th term of this sequence is 11. What is 15th term of this sequence? The 15th term of this sequence is what? 15. Consider second example. 1, 4, 9, 16 dot. In this example, it is very clear that these numbers are the what? Squares of the natural numbers. These numbers are squares of the natural numbers. 1 can be written as 1 square. 4 can be written as 2 square. 9 can be written as 3 square. 16 can be written as 4 square. These numbers are the squares of the natural number. If I ask you to find out 11th term of this sequence, what is our answer? The 11th term will be what? 11 square. 11th term of this sequence is 11 square, that is 1 to 1. And what is 15th term of this sequence? 15th term of this sequence is 15 square, that is what? 2 to 5. In this way, these examples are the examples of a sequence. Now come to next topic, that is arithmetic progression. That is arithmetic progression. Now question arise, what is mean by arithmetic progression? In the given sequence, if the difference between two consecutive terms, that is tn plus 1 minus tn, is a constant, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. In this sequence, this common difference tn plus 1 minus tn is denoted by symbol small d, and in this arithmetic progression, first term is denoted by the letter what? Small a. The terms in the sequences are a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on. Now our question is, which of the following sequences are arithmetic progression? If they are arithmetic progression, we have to find out the common difference. Means we have to identify whether the given sequence is an arithmetic progression or not. Firstly, we will see our definition. What is arithmetic progression? We have to find out common difference between two consecutive terms. Firstly, I have taken first term as T1. T1 equal to 2. Second term is what? 4. Third term T3 is 6. Fourth term T4 is 8, and so on. What I have to do? I have to find out the common difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1. What is our second term? Second term is 4. 4 minus 2 will give 2. Now find out common difference between T2 and T3. What will be our common difference? T3 minus T2. T3 is 6 and T2 is 4. Therefore again we are getting the same answer, that is 2. Now find out common difference between T4 and T3, that is T4 minus T3. What is our T4? 8. 8 minus what is our T3? 6. 8 minus 6. Again we are getting the same answer, that is 2. Here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Here the difference between any two consecutive term is constant, therefore, what is our sequence? Our sequence is an arithmetic progression. If the difference is constant, then we can say that given sequence is an arithmetic progression. And if it is arithmetic progression, then we have to write down the common difference. What is common difference? Common difference is T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. Common difference is what? We are getting the same answer, that is what? 2. Therefore, common difference is 2. I have taken another example to show whether the given sequence is an arithmetic progression or not. Example is what? Minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2, dot, 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 dot. Here, T1 is what? First term is minus 10. T2 is what? Minus 6. Third term is minus 2. Fourth term is 2, and so on. We have to show that whether the given sequence is an arithmetic progression or not. If we want to show given sequence is arithmetic progression, what we will show? We will find out the common difference between any two terms, that is T1 and T2, T2 and T3, T3 and T4. Firstly, I have calculated common difference between T1 and T2. T2 minus T1 is what? What is second term? Minus 6 minus what is T1? T1 is minus 10 minus 6 as it is, minus into minus plus 10, minus 6 plus 10 will give 4. Now find out common difference between T2 and T3. That is what? T3 minus T2. What is third term? Third term is minus 2 minus what is second term? Second term is minus 6. Minus into minus will give plus 6, and minus 2 plus 6. We are getting the same answer, that is 4. Now find out common difference between T3 and T4. That is what? T4 minus T3. What is our T4? Our fourth term is 2 minus what is our third term? Third term is minus 2, and minus into minus will give plus 2. 2 plus 2. Again we are getting the same answer. What is our definition? If the difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant, then the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. In the given example, we are getting the same answer. We are getting the difference as 4. Therefore, I have written here the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, and if this difference is constant, then given sequence is an arithmetic progression. Therefore, I have written what? It is an arithmetic progression. And if it is AP, then common difference is what? Common difference is what? 4. Okay. Our next question is, write an arithmetic progression whose first term is A and the common difference is D. Here, first term is given, it is 10, and common difference is also given, it is minus 5. And we have to write down what is given AP, what is given arithmetic progression. Firstly, I have written what is first term. First term means A. First term is denoted by the symbol small a. And what is A? 10. If A is 10, then T1 is also 10. What is second term? Second term can be calculated by adding what? First term and the common difference. First term is what? T1 is what? 10 plus common difference is what? Minus 5. Plus into minus will give minus 10 minus 5 will give 5. And now we will find out third term. Third term can be calculated by adding what? Second term and the common difference. What is our second term? In the previous step, it is 5 plus what is common difference? Common difference is minus 5 plus into minus will give minus 5, and 5 minus 5 will be equal to what? 0. Now find out fourth term. What is our fourth term? Fourth term can be calculated by adding what? Third term and the common difference. What is third term? Third term is 0 plus what is common difference? Common difference is minus 5 plus into minus will give minus 5, and 0 minus 5 will give what? Minus 5. What is our first term? 10. What is our second term? 5. What is our third term? 0. What is our fourth term? -5. Therefore, our required arithmetic progression is what? 10, 5, 0, -5, dot, 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 up to infinity. Okay. Now, next question is, find the first term and the common difference for the given AP. And given AP is what? First term is 5, second term is 1, third term is -3, and fourth term is -7. Therefore, I have written what? T1 equal to 5, T2 equal to 1, T3 is -3, and T4 is -7. What we have to write down? First term and the common difference. What is our first term? First term is what? Small a, and small a is equal to what? T1. What is T1 in our problem? T1 is 5. Therefore, first term will be 5. And what is common difference? What is common difference? Difference between any two consecutive terms means what? T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3. I have calculated common difference D equal to T2 minus T1. What is our second term? 1. What is our first term? 5. 1 minus 5 minus 4. What is T3? Minus 3. Minus what is T2? 1. Minus 3 minus 1. Again we are getting the same answer, that is what? Minus 4. T4 minus T3. What is fourth term? Minus 7. Minus. What is third term? Minus 3. Minus into minus will give plus. And minus 7 plus 3 will give you what? -4. Again we are getting same common difference, that is -4. Okay. Therefore, I have written answer. What is first term? First term is 5 and common difference is -4. Okay. Now we have to find out nth term of an arithmetic progression. And the term of an arithmetic progression can be calculated by using the formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, this a is called first term and this d is called common difference. Okay, now see our question. Find out the 19th term of the following AP. Given AP is what? 7, 13, 19, 25, dot, 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 dot. Okay, what is first term? First term is 7. What is our second term? Second term is 13. What is our third term? Third term is 19. What is our fourth term? Fourth term is 25. Okay, what is A? A means what? T1. T1 is what? 7. Therefore, A will be equal to what? 7. What is D? Common difference. Common difference means what? Difference between any two consecutive terms. Here we can take what? T2 minus T1. What is T2? T2 is 13. Minus what is T1? T1 is 7. 13 minus 7 will give what? 6. A is 7. D is 6. And we know that formula for Tn is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. But we have to find out what? 19th term of the given AP. Therefore, take n equal to 19. Here I am taking n equal to 19. Therefore, T19 will be equal to what? A. What is A? Here A is 7. Plus again, put the value of n. N is what? 19. 19 minus 1. And common difference D. Common difference D is what? 6. 19 minus 1 will give 18. 18 into 6. 7 plus 18 into 6. 18 6 are 108. And 108 plus 7 will give 115. Lastly, write the answer. That is what? The 19th term of the given AP is what? 115. See our next question. Which term of the arithmetic progression 11, 8, 5, 2, dot, dot, dot is minus 151. Okay. Here, first term is what? 11. Second term is 8. Third term is 5. Fourth term is 2. And nth term is already given. Minus 151. Tn is given. Tn is what? Minus 151. And we have to find out which term. Which term is what? Small n. Small n we have to calculate. Therefore, firstly, I have written what? A. A is what? First term. First term means T1. T1 is what? 11. And find out common difference. Common difference means what? Difference between any two consecutive term. T2 minus T1. What is T2? 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11 will give what? Minus 3. Now write down the formula to calculate what? Tn. Tn can be calculated by using the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. What is nth term? What is n term in our problem? N term is minus 151. What is first term? First term is what? 11 plus and we have to find out. Which terms means and we have to find out. What is the common difference is minus 3. Now transfer plus 11 to left hand side. It will become minus 11. Minus 11 minus 151 minus 11 equal to and minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 151 minus 11 will give what? Minus 162 equal to and minus 1 into minus 3. Now transfer this minus 3 to left hand side. It is what? Multiplied by minus 3 and when we transfer this to left hand side it will become what? Divided by minus 3. Minus 162 upon minus 3 minus upon minus. Division of two same sign is always positive and 162 upon 3 will give 54. Now transfer minus 1 to right hand side. It will become plus 1 and 54 plus 1 will give 55. Therefore answer is what? 55. Small n is 55. Therefore lastly write the answer. The 55 term of the given AP is minus 151. Okay. In this way, we discussed about sequences, terms in sequence, arithmetic progression, and how to find out and the term of the AP. I thank you all for watching my video. I hope that you must have enjoyed my presentation. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Thank you.